Hey folks, welcome to the channel. This is the finished product. This is the Grant steering wheel. I just got it done. I told you in a video before I was going to record taking the old one off and putting a new one on. I had the phone up on a tripod stand. I thought I hit the record button, but I actually apparently I didn't. So I did all this without recording. I apologize for that. But you know, there's a lot of YouTube videos on how to take off the steering wheel and put new ones on, the aftermarket ones. But yeah, I like it. It turned out nice. I really do like it. It's a sharp looking steering wheel. Thought I'd share that with you. I hope, actually it's Christmas Eve. I hope everybody has a great holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, you know, safe holidays. But I apologize again, friends, for not recording this, but if I get the ambition when the weather gets warmer, because it's freezing out right now, I might take it all apart again and show you step by step. I apologize for that. Anyways, folks, hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me some comments. I'd like to hear feedback on it. But yeah, this is it right here, the Grant steering wheel. Took a little while. Like I said, my garage is freezing cold, so I took a lot of breaks. But anyways, there you go. I hope you like it. Enjoy your day, my friends. Just gave her a cold start. She's cold just like I am. We're both freezing. Let her run for a little while. There you go, folks. Squarebody mob. Thanks again. Have a great day, my friends, and hit that subscribe button for me, please. Thanks.